Oh, hi everybody! This is Marshall's Studios Forever here today. I got a big, huge announcement. My 1993's Hoover Legacy is going to be refixed today, and it's going to be taking a couple days to do this. And first of all, I will be before I fix the vacuum cleaner, I'm going to give it a demo installation. I'm going to turn it on and test it one more last time. And first of all, I'm going to say to you guys, I'm going to turn it on one more last time. Maybe the fan blade's really dirty. The motor is really dirty. I thought, let's take a look. That's too loud. Well, everybody, this machine is very loud. It needs a cleanup, and the motor sounded very weird, you know. As you can tell, well, my friend Lucy Toe and I did talk about this on the phone today, and first of all, I did talk to one of my best friends, Lucy Toe Romero's, my cameraman. Me and Lucy Toe Romero's just found out the motor was too noisy because the fan blade was really dirty, and I need to go buy some new belts for it, and I thought about buying new belts for it on November 4th, and first of all, I'll see you November 4th. No way. You know what? I'll see you in the next scene, okay? Well, everybody, I finally fixed my vacuum cleaner today, and first of all, I finally got to fix my 1993's Hoover Legacy Supreme, and I already got it fixed up. And I did test it out. I finally put a brand new brush roll to it, and I finally put a new belt on, and I cleaned the fan blade already, and first of all, the motor sounds fantastic, and first of all, I was really happy this machine works, but it is kind of loud. Older Hoovers are mostly kind of loud, and no offense, if you put this on thin carpet, if you use this vacuum cleaner on thin carpet upstairs in the hallway, it gets kind of noisier and echoed. And first of all, this machine works fantastic. It picks up fantastic. It picks up very strong, and the motor sounds very brand new. And first of all, anyway, I really loved this vacuum cleaner so much. And first of all, tonight I will not be turning it on because my mom is kind of asleep. And first of all, I might run this vacuum cleaner in the video. I'll here to let you know in advance, okay? I'll run it in the next video, and make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see, and first of all, I love you guys. I cared about you, and I finally got my 1993's Hoover Legacy Supreme to be working, and I finally put a new bag in there and a new belt. cleaned out the fan, and I finally refurbished it new, and I cleaned it up, and I polished it, I Windexed it, and everything, and I cleaned up the bag deal already too. And first of all, I gotta say, new bag. Everything looks brand new right here, and first of all, I finally put a brand new brush roll in there, and that's kind of a good deal. And I still got the cord. I put everything back together, and first of all, this is one of my favorite vacuum cleaners at all times, and growing up with this 1993's Hoover Legacy Supreme, and first of all, I love this vacuum cleaner so much, and I thought about using it in the videos, and I thought about doing it. And also, you guys, I will be fixing up the Hoover Preferred, and that will be it. And first of all, and there's more vacuum cleaners coming in November 4th, and I will be picking up 2 vacuum cleaners, or 3, I believe, at the Heart and Hand thrift store on Saturday. And I will be making a longer vlog on YouTube on Saturday. And first of all, I wanted to say to you guys, I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you guys. And also, I'll see you in the next scene.